So an XRP ETF recently debuted, and it's been pretty respectable despite this recent downturn in the market or bear market, whatever you want to call it. And Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst had some things weighing in on the XRP ETF. I wanted to share some insights, share some thoughts with you guys in this video. Just give you guys some quick hitters and get you on your way. Real quick, guys, we are here every single day for you. So it does mean a lot if you click that subscribe button. So many people watch the videos, they forget to do that. It's totally free. All it means is you're going to see more of our content, and we're adding value for you guys every single day. So definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that like button too while you're down there. So we had a recently launched XRP ETF in the US market, introduced by asset manager, I think it's pronounced Teucrium, Teucrium. Apologies if I'm mispronouncing it. Somebody can correct me in the comment section. But Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric BITUNIX highlighted its performance. It had a $5.43 million turnover on its debut yesterday. BITUNIX, who of course is over at Bloomberg, who's always on top of ETFs, he highlighted this as an achievement. He described the feat as very respectable despite, the market downturn, and, considering we're pretty bearish right now, the sentiment's pretty low in the crypto market. And XRP's price dipped all the way down to 164 yesterday. Actually on Monday, its lowest in the last 5 months. The price rebounded to over 196 on Tuesday. It's somewhere in the middle of all of that right now in the 180 range at the time of this recording. But despite the bearish conditions for XRP, the new XRP ETF saw an opportunity and launched the 2x leverage XRP ETF to capitalize on the market, be the first one out there. And according to BITUNIX, again, that $5.43 million turnover was roughly 4 times the volume of Solana's 2x ETF on its first day. He noted that XRP's turnover places it in the top 5% of new ETF launches too. Now, despite the impressive start, the volume is still 200 times smaller than the debut volume of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. But we knew that there was a lot of pent-up demand for Bitcoin, right? And I think there's still a lot of pent-up demand for XRP. And it's going to be interesting to watch this play out, especially when BlackRock, Fidelity, the big players here start launching XRP ETFs. And I think it's only a matter of time until that happens. Brad Garlinghouse had some big news to share on Monday with their big acquisition, them, merging TradFi and DeFi together. We talked about that on the channel on Monday. But he also said he expects XRP ETFs to be live later this year, 18 of which have been filed already, and the big dogs aren't even here yet. So it is worth noting this current ETF that's out does not invest directly into XRP. So it's not a spot ETF, okay? But over 10 spot ETFs for XRP are currently under SEC's review, and 18 in total. But XRP that launched yesterday delivers twice the daily performance of XRP, amplifying both its daily gains and losses for investors. So it's a 2x ETF. So just keep that in mind. But it was good to see it get out of the gate. It was good to, obviously, see some great exposure come across there for XRP. Now, before we get up on out of here, I do have some interesting news to share with you guys. I'm getting ready to head to Toronto. So hopefully you guys are going to be out there for the big event, the Futurist event. Charles Hoskinson, one of the speakers there, Brock Pierce, Bitcoin pioneer, tons of big names. And I somehow found a little spot here on the speaker panel. So I'm going to be speaking actually at the Ethereum conference in Toronto coming up in May. And so if you guys want your tickets, it's ZH25. ZH25 will get you 25% off your tickets. Just use that ZH25 code. And hope to see you out in Toronto, guys. XRP Army, appreciate you guys for watching. Just a quick little update here. I'll have a bunch more later today, later tonight. But again, it means a lot if you hit the subscribe button. Check out all my links down below. Also, one last thing before we do get up on out of here. Definitely look into BTCC. It is my preferred exchange where a lot of people are trading. You could still make money in this market by betting XRP is going to go down or up. And a lot of people making some plays over there. So there is a link down below to BTCC. Check it out. And appreciate you guys for watching.